Welcome back to San Joaquin Audits. On this channel, we take a look at police interaction videos and discuss our constitutional rights. There should be no debate that the topic of policing in America has become even more polarized with the rise of social media. Channels like mine and many other good ones out there are trying to do all they can by bringing transparency to police interactions. In December, a Ring camera video went viral after a Clayton County police officer put hands on an older man trying to enter his own home. In response, the police department put out their own rendition of this same exact video with context to the situation. So in this video, we are going to check out both sides as well as the press conference on behalf of the police department. Keep in mind as you watch this video that exercising your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself, and exercising your Fourth Amendment right to be secure against unreasonable searches and seizures should not be viewed as obstruction of justice.
On Friday, December 15th, at approximately 5:20 p.m., officers responded to the 5600 block of Wynwood Road in College Park reference to a disturbance call. Upon arriving and investigating, they found out that there had been an actual physical altercation as well as some damage to property that exceeded an amount, making it a felony. Officers were able to develop information on the suspects, and the suspects had left the scene and gone to a different location. The victim was able to provide a video and was able to provide a tag number for the suspect's vehicle. Shortly thereafter, the officers located the suspect vehicle concealed behind the house on a nearby street. As officers went over and verified the vehicle with everything from the damage to the tag number, things of that nature, the male subject came from around the corner of the house, at which time the officer engaged with the male subject in conversation.
Yes, ma'am. Also, can you copy your tag as well? Is this one?
And go ahead with it.
Out of Alabama, 3 Adam 0, 2 Nora Young 7. Yeah, because she said Salora. Hey, brother, who car is this? Yep. Who car is this?
Today, somebody gets no stolen. I'm showing it on a 2008 Toyota Camry blue.
Is that dog chained up?
Showing valid.
Okay. There won't happen to be no damage. Yeah, whose car is this?
Who car is it?
Sounds about right. Look. Yep, that right there.
What about that?
Can you answer the question whose car it is and why it's in the back? Hey, hey.
Sit down.
Is this your car? Hello? Gotcha. Keep him right there.
Right, I'm just trying to figure out why I'm talking
Hey, so that blue car that she was talking about is parked in the backyard of his house. Yes, and it has black paint transfer as well. That matches that black Chrysler. And also the lady wrote down the tag, has the exact same tag on there as well. So,
17, go ahead with it.
buddy, no. Initially, I thought it was that one, but that's the blue car right there. So there it is. And it has a tag on it. I took a picture of the tag that she wrote down. And she did describe a blue car as well, but I thought initially she was only talking about that blue car. But it is that one as well. Well, apparently it's a guy in the back
25.
who's not answering no questions.
Where did that vehicle come back to?
How you doing, man?
Comes back to a Raynard Huffman,
What'd you say?
a Renard, R81.
Well, for one, I'm sorry. My name is Officer Piggins, Clayton County Police Department. This is Officer Ho. This is Officer Smith. How you doing today?
I'm good.
You okay? You stay here?
Listen,
You don't stay here? Where you stay at?
I said done with it.
Done with it? That
I
question.
have friends. I can't have friends.
I didn't say that. I just asked you a question.
I have friends.
Okay, so where your friends at?
They're not, I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm not,
Yeah, he right here. I see him.
Hey, who was driving that vehicle?
I'm not sure.
I mean, obstruction is a beautiful charge. It is.
Obstruction of what?
Our investigation. I mean, you kind of do have to talk because, again, obstruction is a hell of a charge.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm in the middle of an investigation, so if I ask you for your name, you ain't got nothing to do with what? So you're not going to give me your name?
Why do I need to give you my
Because
name?
I'm in the middle of an investigation, I'm asking you a
I have
question.
nothing to do with that.
But I asked you a question, so what's your name?
You can step down.
So how you know what we talking about?
You can step
I
down.
have nothing. You talking to me?
You don't have to, but you can step down.
I came from the back.
Exactly.
Because,
So
again,
I
if you go in that house, you're going to jail. Both of y'all.
Why?
For what?
Like I said,
Obstruction.
we're in the middle of an
Obstruction of
investigation.
what? No.
Because we have an investigation going on.
man. Stop
That vehicle right there is involved in our
It's
investigation.
not mine.
Okay, so I'll say that then.
I did.
Not ours.
So who's it? We asking one question.
So who is it?
Why are you being so hostile right now? We just asking one question.
Man, quit playing.
Is this not your house?
What's your name?
No, it's not my house.
Okay,
What's your
but
name?
understand, if
Not
you
my
step
house.
if you take a step inside that door,
okay,
I will
listen.
drag you out and put you in handcuffs.
Okay.
Try
What's
it.
your name? What's your
Alright.
name? You're not
Watch
gonna give
this.
us your name?
Watch this.
All right.
Please don't do that, y'all.
Watch
Name?
this. I dare you to take a step inside the house.
So you're not gonna give us your information?
No, hold on. Wait, let me just do it.
Don't let her go too far either.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, sir. I don't understand.
You don't even know your own passcode. That's crazy. Is you sure this is your house?
My car's not even here.
Hello? So, you do have a duty to identify yourself when we ask, especially while conducting an investigation. I want you to understand that. Please listen to that as well, ma'am. The second thing is, again, that car back there.
You can go ahead.
Hold, my brother, hold on. Hey, whoa.
Yep.
All right, hold.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Don't worry.
Turn around. Turn around.
Bro.
Turn around. Turn around.
I can't.
Turn around.
Okay, turn around.
Ain't nobody touching you right now. Turn around.
Bro,
Just ain't nobody touching you right now. Turn around.
I can't speak.
Turn around.
You want me to
Turn around. Turn around. Get on.
Compliant?
Get. Ain't nobody touching you. Turn around.
Want me to be
Get
compliant?
on your stomach.
Right.
Get on your stomach.
So you want me to be compliant?
Get on your stomach.
You're not even listening.
Last time. Get on your stomach.
Listen. Get on your stomach now.
Get on your stomach.
I'm not understanding why y'all doing that to him.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Go ahead.
Start a supervisor out here.
For use of force. Making sure you tell for use of force.
For use of force, please.
Go ahead, you clear on it.
I don't think he even knows
Go ahead.
what's going on.
The officers told the male not to step inside. If he stepped inside, he would be arrested.
If you take a step inside that door,
okay.
I will drag you out and put you in handcuffs.
Okay.
You're not
Watch
gonna give
this.
us any.
He made a movement to go inside the house, at which time my officer grabbed him. He was taken to the ground and he was placed in handcuffs. On the way to the ground, the male struck the side of the door, at which time on the video you can see that he sustained a slight injury to his right temple area.
I don't know.
Good job.
No, we're not. We asked him a
But I didn't, ma'am, I'm not even saying anything. I'm just asking. I ain't even asking anything.
2 Traffic 21. Show one in custody, please. Also, can you start affording my location?
Check him because he had a 69.
I'm clear.
I'm clear, and just making sure you need him at 5677 Pine Gate.
I'm pulling. I'm pulling.
Flashing on me, my brother. I
Relax.
was in the car.
Relax.
I'm not trying to do anything, bro. I was in the car.
2 Traffic 21. What's the injury?
Small restoration to the front face.
Let me get in the car, my brother.
Commander 10 unit, give me a public service,
Go ahead.
please.
Sit down. Take a seat.
That's how I'm here.
I'm gonna see how you gonna get away with this one.
People just need to learn Georgia law. I'm telling you exactly how I'm
What's
getting on.
Georgia law, bro? What's Georgia law?
I'm explaining to you.
Right. Can
Yep.
I get my phone call?
Yep. Go ahead.
Right. I don't even know what this was.
I'm about to explain it to you because I tried to, but you didn't want to listen.
You gonna be dead wrong, but okay.
Watch this. Watch this. Close your
Watch
foot.
it. Let's watch it. Go.
So again,
My brother,
you asked me to. You asked me to explain. Somebody explain.
What's the charge?
Obstruction, failure to
What's the
identify
charge?
yourself. Those are 2 charges right there.
What? Obstruction of what, bro?
Our investigation, which I tried to
Obstruction of
explain
what?
to you.
What's the charge? I ain't got nothing to do with your investigation.
Good job.
What's the charge?
I already told you.
I'm trying to let me see one of y'all flashlights.
Hey, did y'all copy that 69? Hey, bro, if she don't want to talk, bro, put her in handcuffs too. She can go as well. Simple as that.
The male and female were detained based on some further investigation and were subsequently released pending some further investigation based on our criminal investigation division.
And again, the man's not facing any charges as of right now.
He is not charged with anything currently, no sir.
And the female.
Don't know?
And the female also not facing any
Not right
charges.
now. Like I said, they have not been charged with anything formally.
have there been arrests made in the original case of the place that got broken into in the car and all that?
I don't really want to speak on that because that's outside my purview. Okay, this is with criminal investigations following up. I'm sure that our PIOs will release a final statement if there are charges brought forth and what those are.
So you were saying there could be charges at a later time for these two people?
I'm saying there could be, yes.
Objection of what?
You ain't got to talk to them. That's not your card. They asked you this, that, and third. That's not your card. We don't have to. Why? What you need to know my name for?
What's up?
So you're not gonna give me your name?
Why do I need to give you
Because
my
I'm in
name,
the middle
man?
of an investigation.
I
I'm asking you a
have
question.
nothing to do with that.
But I asked you a question, so what's your name?
He can step down.
So how you know what we talking about?
He can step down.
I have nothing.
I don't know
You talking to me?
You don't
I
have to,
came from
but you
the
can step
back.
down.
I came from the back.
Exactly.
Because
so am I
again, if
asking
you go in
you
the
a
house, you're going to jail. Both of y'all.
What?
Why?
For what?
Like I said,
Obstruction.
we're in
So ultimately, both of the alleged suspects were placed in cuffs, with one of them sustaining bodily harm due to obstruction for not cooperating in their investigation or giving identification. As you watched the video, did any of you hear any of these officers articulate why they were investigating in the first place? Keep in mind that these officers are on private property and forcefully prohibit the man from entering into that private property. The Supreme Court case of Ray Austin Collins versus the Commonwealth of Virginia brought up the question of whether or not the Fourth Amendment's automobile exception permit a police officer without a warrant to enter private property in order to search a vehicle parked a few feet from the house. In an 8-1 opinion, the court held that its own Fourth Amendment jurisprudence regarding the home and the curtilage of one's home clearly prevents officers from entering and searching without a warrant, even if the object searched is an automobile. The court found that the area searched, the back of the driveway, was indeed the curtilage of the defendant's home, and thus the Fourth Amendment's highest degree of protection applies there. Although warrantless searches of automobiles are permissible in limited circumstances, the warrantless search of an automobile parked within the curtilage of one's home is not permissible. Now the question regarding this Clayton County case would be whether or not the man lived in the home. But it is still private property, and these officers violated the Fourth Amendment by remaining on the curtilage of the home and using force for an obstruction detainment, followed by a subsequent release pending further investigation. But let me know your thoughts on this one in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out.